Alright guys, I know what I gotta do. I inspected it and it's got the flywheel's broke. We're gonna have to do a couple videos. This one is too much, but let me turn the light on, you can see it. There. It's broken. So I gotta take and slide the transmission back, take it loose. Okay, and then if you'll notice, look at that. Alright, that goes down into the oil filter, and then that other one goes into the side of the oil pan. Hope I got the right gasket for the damn thing. Because the one I got is like this, except this is all one piece. It's not two pieces like this one. And then I need to get this side piece right here. So I had to make a second video. I couldn't show you the other one. It's 600 something megs. That's too big. So there you have it, guys. I got to pull the transmission. Well, slide it back, disconnect the. Let's do this because I'll show you.